How to increase font size on Messenger. Hi everyone, I'm Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, you can see this is my font size. Then I'll go to Settings and you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Go to Search button, which is located on top right corner of your screen. Then search Accessibility. Click on System Accessibility and you'll find Font Size. Click on it. You can increase or decrease. Let's increase. As you can see, font size has increased. Now I'll go back to Messenger and my font size will be increased. As you can see, it's different from before. And that's how you increase font size on Messenger. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got questions or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia, signing off. Until next time.